Good morning. Thanks for joining in today. I have something really special and I'm super excited to share with you today. If you are hoping to lose 10 pounds before Thanksgiving, then listen in because you don't want to miss this rare opportunity that I have for you. So I would like to invite you to join my 2-week Real Food Reset. In this reset, you can lose 10 pounds before Thanksgiving hits. And how awesome would that be to go into the holidays actually down 10 pounds and feeling in control around your food choices before these Christmas holidays get here. So what I have in store for you, this is the first time I've ever opened this opportunity publicly. This is a 2-week Real Food Reset that we use all real foods. I give you tons of great, delicious, healthy, real food recipes. We have a very private community of other women just like you and daily challenges that are simple and fun to keep you motivated to stay on task and get this weight off before the holidays. I have run this program. I usually run it about every 2 to 3 months in my private group of clients that I coach, and all the women love it. And that's why I know that you can lose up to 10 pounds. I would say most women lose 5 to 10 pounds within this 2 weeks. And I make it very, very simple for you. I give you step-by-step instructions on what to do. I give you a whole list of recipes, a grocery list, meal plans that you can follow. And I want to help you get this weight off before the holidays because I know what a struggle this time of year can be when we don't feel in control around our food. And the most exciting piece of this is I am going to be coaching you every single day of this 2-week Real Food Reset. We start November 11th of 2024. Hopefully you're listening to this live and haven't missed this rare opportunity. But then we go through November 24th, and I've got lots of fun prizes that you will enjoy, and it's easy to win the prizes. You go through the 2 weeks, and I've got lots of fun prizes in store for you as well. So I would love to see you in this 2-week Real Food Reset for this limited time. The price is only $47, okay? And that gets you 2 weeks of coaching with me through our private community where you get tons of motivation, accountability, and all the step-by-step instructions you need to lose the weight using all real food. And it's amazing how great you can feel. You'll leave this challenge having more energy, less bloat, and feeling more in control around your foods. So I will share the link. It has more information. It has the sign up registration link in there too. So I'll share that one link in the show notes below so you can snag your spot now. I also have an upgraded option that if you really want to dial in on your nutrition, then I have a VIP upgrade option for only $97 that actually gets you a daily food log review by me. So I could really get in to help tweak your nutrition and make sure that you're losing fast and faster when we actually look daily at your food logs. So if you want an upgrade option, that's also available for you too. And all of that information is in the show notes. If we've not met yet, my name is Nicole Dalton. I have been a family medicine physician assistant and lifestyle medicine physician assistant now for over 20 years. And I turned menopause weight loss coach over a year ago now. And I help women only 35 years old and older lose weight because I know perimenopause, which I'm in perimenopause myself, and menopause is a very difficult time in our life to navigate, not only all these hormonal changes, but then you tack on all this weight that most women will gain during this phase in life. And I want to walk you through how to reset those hormones using real food so you can lose the weight. And by the way, if you find this video helpful, if you found other videos helpful, please hit like, please hit subscribe. That way you get notifications every week of my new weekly videos coming out. And comment below if you have any more questions about the 2-week Real Food Reset. I would love to hear from you. And lastly, if you've not joined my Facebook community, it's free. It's called Weight Loss for Midlife Women. We would love to have you in there. We share lots of not only great recipes, but a lot of motivation, a lot of mindset tips, and a lot of discussion over hormones. So if you're interested in joining a community of other women in the same journey as you, then come join us over in Weight Loss for Midlife Women. I would love to see you inside. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and a great holiday season ahead of you.